Alright, so guys, here we are with the 2012 Chevy Sonic, and today we are going to be replacing the cabin air filter. If you ever notice, like, your fans are running a little, like, seems like they're not blowing as hard, or maybe you smell something, I don't know. That's going to probably be more related to the cabin air filter, maybe being blocked up or hasn't been changed. I'm pretty sure this is a 2012, and I've had this car now for 2 years, so I've never physically changed it. So I'm guessing the guy before me didn't change it either. So we're going to go ahead and see what it looks like. I mean, I don't really notice anything blow-wise, but I just have a feeling it's probably pretty gunked up. Now, this is the filter for it. Got it advanced, pretty standard air filter, honestly. Part number is going to be 90256P, right there. This filter was $18. They had other selections I could have chosen from. I personally am not going to spend 50 bucks on an air filter. That's just me. Maybe you guys have your own taste for it, but me personally, I'm not spending 50 bucks for an air filter. But okay, so let's get into it. First, all you gotta do, open your glove box. There's not going to be anything on the left side that's blocking it. The only thing that's going to be on the right side is a little rod, and it's going to be right down in here. Basically, all you have to do is you can literally just pull it off. It's rubber, so it'll give and it'll hop around it, or you can push the little tab in and pull it off, whichever way you want to do it. I just personally grabbed it, pushed it over, and that's literally that for that section. And then all you have to do is you just grab it like you would open it, but just grab it firm, because it will drop down once you do this. You just pull back on it. It's basically just on little, just sitting in. So you just pull back and it'll release, and then you just let that thing sit on the floor. Now, once that is out, as you will see, right here's the fan for the whole unit, and right above it is actually a little plate. On the left side there's a tab, and on the right side there's a tab. Basically, you just press the tabs in towards the square, and then it'll literally lift up. See? Lift straight up. And then here's the filter. Now, I already went through and I already replaced it ahead of time, so you guys aren't going to be crazy amazed by the filter. But here's the new filter right here. It's all opened. Now, what I did when I pulled out the old filter, it was pretty bad. I'll show you guys the old filter in a second. It was pretty gunked up in there, so I took an air hose and I blew out everything, blew out the little foam seal around here, around the door. I blew inside of it, so try to get some of that stuff out. But whenever you put it in, you can put in the arrow up, and you just basically take the filter. You'll see the part number and everything. Just shove that in there, and then you basically just close the door, and you'll hear both of them click, so you know it's closed. And then go back to glove box. Now, underneath you'll see what I'm talking about. They're like little tabs. You basically just have to line up both sets of tabs on both of those. So you just get in there, it takes a little bit to line it up. There's one. Go over to this side. There's two, and now it'll stay in place. And then you basically just reach back in here and you grab the little rod you flicked off, and this rod will actually pull out too, because this is a little suspension rod. And then, as you can see, it's on there, You literally just pull it straight back, and then it locks itself back on. And then you push all your crap that you have in your glove box back in there, and you shut it. And that's honestly about it. So, and this is what the old filter looked like. Obviously we have some stuff deep down in there. I mean, it's pretty gross, you guys. I mean, and that all just came out of the filter, so obviously it's time to change it. This thing definitely has not been changed probably ever. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. If you do want to see some more videos about this car, I'm still going to probably do the brakes on it, maybe the control arms, maybe replace the alternator or something like that. But yeah, basically that was pretty much it for the air filter change. It's pretty easy. I also drop videos on this guy, little Honda Ruckus clone, and the Chevy Sonic. Now this will actually work for 2012 to 2016 for the Chevy Sonics, the 1.4s and 1.8s. I'm not too sure, honestly, if it'll work for the Chevy Cruze or not. I'm guessing they have the same system set up, but I'm not 100% sure. So I don't want to give you guys false information on that. But yeah, if you like the video, go ahead and leave a like. If you want to see more videos pertaining Chevy Sonic, I did like a thermostat replacement on it, spark plug change on it. I put all those videos up. I got the new camera now, so I should have a little bit better video quality. I don't know about sound, but we'll find out. But yeah, so if you want to see more, just go ahead and subscribe. It's going to be right below. And yeah, go ahead, leave me a comment, tell me what you think. You can even ask me any questions if you have any. That's pretty much it, you guys. So for this video, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you stop by again and see what else I got going on. Alright, see you guys.